Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quezon and this is my devotion for the day, July 2. And ang topic po natin for the day is, ano ang contribution mo sa kaharian ng Diyos or millennium? So, ano po ba yung concept ng millennium? So, the millennium refers to the prophesied 1,000-year reign of Christ on earth, marked by peace, righteousness, and justice. During this time, Christ rules as king, and his victory over sin and evil becomes clear. It is a season that reflects the fulfillment of God's promises and the unfolding triumph of his kingdom in the realm. So, sabihin, yung paghahari po ng ating Panginoon, yung sa millennium, kasi nakasulat nga po sa Bible. Ating scripture for today is Revelations chapter 20 verses 1 to 6. And I saw an angel coming down out of heaven, having the key to the abyss, and holding in his hand a great chain. He seized the dragon, that ancient serpent who is the devil or Satan, and bound him for 1,000 years. And he threw him into the abyss and locked and sealed it over him, to keep him from deceiving the nations anymore until the 1,000 years were ended. After that, he must be set free for a short time. I saw thrones on which were seated those who had been given authority to judge, and I saw the souls of those who had been beheaded because of their testimony about Jesus. So, ganun po na po yung sa akin po. So, ano po ba yung concept po ng millennium? So, yung i-relate po natin sa teaching po natin for the day, that the reign of Christ is present and the future. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang po ngayon, hindi lang sa 1,000 years po magmumuno ang ating Panginoon, kundi sa walang hanggan po ng time. Ibig sabihin, ang ating Panginoon po is hindi po natatapos yung kanyang pamumuno dito sa ating mundo, kundi talagang continuous ang ating yung pamumuno ng ating Panginoon kasama po tayo mga Kristiyano. So, second teaching is the reign of Christ is in heaven and on earth. So, ibig sabihin lang po nito ay hindi porket umakit po ang ating Panginoon ulit sa heaven is hindi na po siya namamag or naghahari po dito sa earth. Ibig sabihin lang po yun na umakit po ang ating Panginoon ng Jesucristo sa heaven, and dito rin po siya maghahari sa earth. And of course, tayo pong mga Kristiyano, ang ating role po doon is to teach the gospels. Ibig sabihin, kasi yung motor na yun. So, i-spread pa po natin talaga yung gospel and yung mga two teachings ng ating Panginoon Jesucristo. Third teaching is the reign of Christ is growing and transforming. So, ibig sabihin po ay talagang lumalago ang kaharian po ng ating Panginoon, and tayo pong mga Christian is talagang dapat na mag-improve in order for us to reach more people and to spread the gospel more. So, ayun lang po, ako si Godfrey Quezon and this is my devotion for today, July 2. Sana po ay marami kayong natutunan. Ayun lang po.